Hey, what's going on YouTube? Ty back from AskIan.com. Hit you another video, real quick video. And I had a question. How do you run, or any tips on running a gaming blog? A gaming blog. So you play video games on a regular basis and you want to start a blog. And this was a hard one. This was a hard one to think about because gaming is super competitive, and you got to think before you do this. Now, it depends on your situation. If you're a teenager, you're 18, 19 years old, you stay at home with mom and dad, and you work 20 hours a week part time. You can do it. You can do it because you have the time. If you're an adult male who has, or adult woman, adult male, don't matter who it is, who lives by themselves and who don't have kids at home, don't have a wife or a husband at home, no kids, you home alone, you can do it. If you have a family at home or kids or a wife, it's gonna be hard to do it. The reason I set these three categories because in my case, I have a family, wife, and a son at home, and it's hard to do it working 40 hours a week. Because soon you get home, you pick your kids up from daycare or school, you go home, you spend time with them, you cook dinner, fix the house up, do whatever, clean and do laundry, and then it's time to go to bed. And it's hard to do that type of business because half of your blog is going to be video. Half of your blog has to be video. Everybody consumes gaming content on video, not on a blog post. I mean, some people do read blog posts. I still read blog posts, but you got to remember you're dealing with kids. You're dealing with 18, 19-year-olds who play games all the time. They're not reading content, looking at videos. I think videos is like 75% of gaming. So you must have a strong YouTube channel. What I would do, I would start the blog, but make sure my YouTube channel is strong. You need like 400 to 500 videos on gaming. You just need it because you need that gaming community flowing to your blog. You need that, first of all. And second of all, you're competing against teenagers and kids who play the game all the time, who make videos all the time. Yeah, remember, when you're that young man and young woman who stays at home with no wife or husband or kids at home, you working 9 to 5. Are you working to pay your rent or mortgage, to pay the bills, light bill? They're not. They're home playing the game all day long, making videos. And as soon as you get home, yeah, you have 3-4 hours to do it, but look how long they've been doing it. Because it's harder to do that type of business. It's possible, but it'll be harder. So you just have to push through. You got to have a lot of content. I will go with the older games. I will go with games that's not popular right now. I wouldn't go Call of Duty, Madden 2K, Red Dead Redemption 2. I won't go none of those like Street Fighter, Dragon Ball Z. I will not touch those games because they're super competitive. They got tournaments. They're on Twitch. They're on every freaking thing. I wouldn't touch those games. I will go with some older games. Games came out last year that nobody talks about really. I'll go to an older game because that less competition. It's still high, but it's a little bit less because it's not the shiny ball. Because video games is shiny ball. The next big game comes out, everyone's playing it. And the game that was hot over time gets old. I mean, look at Call of Duty. Every year they have a new Call of Duty out. The Call of Duty from 4 or 5 years ago, who's talking about it? People are still playing it, but who's talking about it? No one. So, because my goal, when my blog, remember I say the word when my blog replaces my income for my job currently, I would like to start a gaming blog. I'll play the Xbox sometimes, I get some free time, and it would be nice to get paid to play video games. So, I said, I'll do me a blog, but how would I do it? But I can't do it now because I work 40 hours, got a family at home. I don't have time to do it. I got my own blog and YouTube channel I'm running. I can't do it. So if you want to start a blog on gaming, what I would do is, number one, start a YouTube channel. I will start a YouTube channel and start uploading all my game footage onto YouTube. Number two, I'll do that. I'll do 3 videos a day. Every time that you play the game, you make sure you record from your Xbox or PlayStation, because you could save a 10-minute clip on Xbox, save it to your Xbox, and then go to the computer. It will save on the computer, and then you can upload to YouTube. I would do 3 videos a day on gaming onto my YouTube channel. I will start me a Twitch channel that's free. And when you first get on Twitch, it'll take a long time for you to start getting views. Start a Twitch channel, stream on Twitch 3 times a day, do 2 blog posts a day on anything on gaming, build social media platforms, build a Facebook fan page strictly on gaming, build a Pinterest board strictly on gaming. I will build Twitter, Tumblr, everything that's you can do for free. Focus strictly on gaming itself. That's what I would do, and I'll take it from there. YouTube will probably be the biggest traffic source, YouTube and Pinterest, because those images. And your blog should be 50% video, 25% pictures or visual, because gaming is visually. Gaming is playing. You look at it. I would do 25-30% of blog content, and that's what I would do. That's my business model, and that's what I would do. Twitch stream, upload 3 videos per day on gaming. Get like 10 different social media accounts that's free, all based on gaming. You post your YouTube videos on your platforms. You post your blog posts. And what I would do is try to get some older games that came out a couple years ago, not the popular games nobody's playing, and stay away from the top games. If Call of Duty comes out and it's not out yet, maybe out in about 2 months, and they release a trailer, and that's another thing you gotta do too. You gotta catch trends. You got to catch if Madden comes out in 5 months or 2 months and have a trailer, you gotta write a blog post and do a video right then and there. You can't wait until the game's out. Call of Duty, the same way. Once you see a Call of Duty trailer, you have to immediately do a video right then and there, because it's hot right now. It's like a movie trailer. You have to do it right then and there. So you gotta keep your ears peeled to the gaming streets if you want to succeed. You can't, because you miss the opportunity to get traffic. And I would do that. And one last thing. So what's the motivation behind the blog? Is it to make money or a hobby? If it's a hobby, you can take your time and build it however you want to. If it was a money-making idea, you got to, what am I going to monetize my audience for? What am I going to sell? Am I going to build a list for gamers? Am I going to, how I make money? Am I going to get sponsored? All these things have to be a part. Am I going to sell controllers, games, consoles? Am I going to sell strategy guides? What are you going to sell? Do advertisements? What are you going to do to make the money from gaming? Because it's possible to make money on a game blog and gaming. There's people out there who makes money just by gaming itself. But those people play all the freaking time. They play. So those are my tips on a gaming blog. That's what I would do. I mean, I don't know everything, but if you came in today and say, hey, I want to do a gaming blog, make money by gaming, what would I do? YouTube channel. I would do 10 social media accounts. I will upload videos to YouTube, 3, 4, 5 videos per day. I will put a lot of work in, because it'll be hard to break in, because you're competing against kids and teenagers that, one last thing, when you're 19 and 20 and you could go to bed 3 or 4 in the morning and get up at 8 o'clock and you're fresh, when you get older, it's harder. So you compete against kids who play games to 3 or 4 in the morning, who gets up at 7 o'clock and they're full of energy. So it's gonna be hard to break that. It's gonna be hard to get into it, but you're consistent. The one thing you have to do, you have to be consistent in gaming. Upload 3 videos a day. That's your goal. 3 videos a day. 2 blog posts. Do a blog post a day, and you'll make it. Those are my recommendations. What I would do. And in the future, when my blog takes over my income right now, that's what I'm going to do. TylerSking.com. Subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.